How to make money by playing games in 2025. What if I told you that your favorite video games could start paying your bills? In 2025, gaming is no longer just fun, it's profitable. Whether you're playing casually or competitively, I'm going to show you real ways people are making money playing games this year. And yes, you can too. Hit that like button and subscribe if you're ready to turn your passion into a paycheck. This is Norbipol TV, let's go. 1. Get paid to stream. Platforms like Twitch, Kick, YouTube Gaming, Facebook Gaming. Live streaming is one of the biggest ways to earn from gaming. On Twitch or YouTube Gaming, you can earn through donations, memberships, sponsorships, and even ads. In 2025, newer platforms like Kick are also paying creators directly. You don't need 1M followers to start. Consistency and community matter more. Tips to follow. A. Use OBS to stream. B. Start with trending games. C. Engage with viewers. D. Monetize through affiliate links, example gaming gear. 2. Play to earn, P2E, crypto and NFT games. Games like Illuvium, Big Time, Star Atlas, My Pet Hooligan. Play to earn games let you earn crypto or NFTs that you can sell. With the comeback of Web3 gaming in 2025, games like Illuvium are paying players in real value. But be careful, some projects are still risky. Always research before investing time or money. Tips to follow. A. Use wallets like MetaMask. B. Stake tokens for rewards. C. Track earnings using sites like DappRadar. 3. Compete in tournaments. Games like Fortnite, COD Mobile, PUBG, Valorant, Dota 2. Online tournaments are booming. Whether you're a casual or pro, you can win real cash in community or global tournaments. In 2025, mobile esports is especially hot, with apps like Game.tv or ESL offering weekly matches. Tips to follow. A. Practice with a team. B. Register on tournament sites like Tournament or Badleafy for game testing. Platforms like Playtest Cloud, Beta Family, Game Tester, Uber Testers. Yes, companies pay you to test games. You don't need to be a pro, just honest feedback and basic gameplay skills. Each test pays $10 to $50 depending on the task. 5. Mobile game earning apps. Apps like Missed Play, Rewarded Play, Skills, Cash Giraffe. If you're a casual gamer, try apps that reward you for playing. It won't make you rich, but it's easy passive income during downtime. 6. Freelance game services. Ideas you can take into consideration. A. Game coaching, Fiverr, Gamer Sensei. B. Account boosting, controversial, discuss briefly. C. In-game item flipping, example selling skins or gold. You can also make money by helping others get better at games or selling game accounts/items. Sites like Fiverr have a whole marketplace for gaming services. So whether you want to go full-time or just earn on the side, 2025 is the best time to monetize your love for gaming. Start with one method, stay consistent, and build your brand. Finally, which method are you going to try first? Drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more ways to make money online. See you in the next video. This is Norbipol TV.